What's up, kids who technical? I'm back again with another video. Today I wanted to show you how to access edge lighting on your Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So what you would need to do is to go to your settings, and you want to go to notifications. Once you're in notifications, you want to go to brief pop-up settings. Once you're in brief pop-up settings, as you can see here, it says edge lighting. So you want to click on edge lighting style, and here is where you're able to get like the little edge lighting for like your notification, for like a notification LED for your Samsung device. So pretty much you get the wave effect, which it just goes all around your device like so. Then you get bubbles, you get multicolor, which it'll change colors around the corner. If you get a text message, then you'll get this one. This is nice. It is glow, fireworks, eclipse. That means it'll come up around here. Then you get echo, and then you get spotlight, and you also get basic one, the basic one. You get glitter, which looks really nice if you're into that. You get hearts. I don't know why it says hearts, because I don't see hearts. And you can also come in here and get different colors, so you can change it if you want red, if you want pink, if you want pink, red, orange, yellow, green, so on and so on. Then you can come to advanced. You can change the transparency, you can change the width of it, and you can also change the duration of it. That's a nice feature to have, because as you know, a lot of these Samsung devices no longer have a built-in LED light, which is a bummer, but you can still access it using edge panels. Using edge lightings. It's like the same thing, but they're calling it edge lighting. So let me set one up and send myself a text message so you can see what happens. So I'm gonna get my Z Fold 3 here, and I'm gonna turn it on, and I'm gonna send myself a quick little text message. It's not just for your text messages, it is for your notifications in general. So let me make sure I have this set to where I have my notifications to show while my screen is off. So I'm gonna currently shut it off real quick. And now I have my Z Fold 3 ready. Now let me send myself a quick little text message so I can show you what I am talking about. Cut on my internet. Okay, let me go to my text messaging app. I'm about to put in my text. Let me start a new text message. Alrighty. Nope, that's not the right number. Okay, I'm just gonna say hey. And in a minute here, my screen should light up. As you can see, it lit up. I'm gonna send another one. Okay, as you can see, very faintly it showed up, but you can go in here and you can change the duration. So let me go back to advanced. Let me make it be to where you can see it big. So I'm just going to use the one that shows in the corner. That looks even cooler to me. So I'm going to turn my phone off, and I'm going to send myself a text message. And as you can see, just like that, it is notifying me that I have a text message. So that was just a quick video of me showing you how to access and turn on and use your edge lighting on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So just rate, comment, and subscribe